What's up?
Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Will It Make It or Will It Not?
Hey Cody, this one's for you, buddy.
Oh, it's not even a posse? That truck sucks.
Oh my god. Oh god. He's gonna break the wheel off or something. Jesus. Give her one more, Brett.
Jeeps crumble a lot better than that. Huh.
Do we know how much fuel Buford has?
No idea.
There you go, work out. You got it. Oh my god, it's like The Rock. Except for, you know, about the same weight, but no muscle.
Probably heavier. That's right, buddy. I'm coming for you.
Come on, you can pull that over yourself. Do it.
Oh, yeah.
You're like a workhorse. About as big around.
Close. You're really tired of the fat jokes.
That's why I keep doing them.
All right, take one.
Nope. How are you gonna feel if this lands on your truck?
That'd really suck.
Oh, okay, hit it.
Police, open up! Police, open up!
Really?
Oh Jesus!
That's exactly what I was trying not to do. Okay, take two. This ain't about as well. I guarantee it. Get it, girl.
Back it up, give her the beans!
Hey, come over here more.
I think if we tied it around the roof, maybe. Well, hey, the upside of us tearing up your dad's yard is he's never gonna have to mow this part ever again. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Ah, he's gonna get it this time. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, man. Who knew that much junk was in there?
Damn it, Cody.
Stupid Cody. I've got a huge mess to clean up. I didn't sign up for this.
Easiest way to clean out your car, tip it over. Oh, we're gonna cut it straight off at the headers.
I think we just cut back here.
And then right up here, and wherever that needs to be cut.
I can't believe you flipped this thing over.
Well, the bad part is my truck has a weak trans.
That probably didn't help. Oh boy.
Hanger too.
Oh my gosh. There's so many pennies. We just got rich. And a calculator too. This used to be worth quite a bit of money.
A calculator?
Yeah, a calculator. Hey, there might be another spark plug in there. I might get to do a little round two on the window.
Yeah, okay.
And then a trash can wheel.
Who owned this thing?
I don't know.
Crazy Catwoman?
I'm gonna go ahead and say yeah. There's a reel, or is that a reel?
There's like mosquito spray or something.
Fishing line.
Yeah, repellent. There's spray paint and trash wheels.
Nice. Some clamps and a headrest.
Oh, yeah, the headrest was coming out anyway. I mean, that was. Didn't do as much damage as I thought it would, though.
No, not really. Still looks pretty good. Hopefully it runs when we flip it back over.
Check this out. If your exhaust, has a leak, tip number 102, Redneck Handbook, vice grips will take care of that problem. It might come apart.
We got a
no,
free,
maybe not.
free pair of vice grips.
How thin that is.
Yeah, that's probably safe.
Hopefully it'll run again.
Yeah. Eh.
Oh well, Cody bought it, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't care.
Oh yeah. She's coming out now, whether she likes it or not. Oh man. Look at that. Oh wow. Wow. Clean window. Gotta love Buford. I'm coming, guys!
Use that to push that over.
Okay.
You gotta give me a minute. I gotta send Cody a photo of his hot rod.
Alright, well I'm gonna get lined up. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yank it, baby. Woo! Show them muscles. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so wet right now. Oh yeah.
Hit it like you got some balls.
I'm afraid of this airbag going off now. Oh, I cracked the windshield.
Let's see if we can roll it by hand.
That's not working. Oh, we did a little damage to the roof.
Yeah. I think we might have hurted it a little bit.
Yeah, it'll be all right. All right.
Welcome to the Redneck Fat Farm. No, Matt, we left it on there. See what happened.
That sounded hard. I think we broke the mirror on the other side, guys. But the turn signal part still works. Yeah, so you just bend it.
A little bit of duct tape will take care of that.
Bend it back out.
Yeah, see, it's fine. What did you guys do?
See, it still works.
Matt? Oh.
Yeah, that roof is pretty bent.
Oh shoot. Hi. I got a dent boiler at the shop.
Yeah.
See, I was thinking we cut the top off, make this one convertible, take all the seats out, set them on fire, load that in the back of this.
Target top's not nearly as cool as tops.
And in true shitbox fashion, the door won't close.
All right, so here's the deal.
Well, you're gonna have to get a ratchet strap for that door.
We ripped the doors off.
You know what, Brett? How about you jump it like I was doing the other day? Seriously.
See, Matt, I don't have insurance.
I don't have insurance either.
Listen here,
So
Junior
if I die,
Mentos.
I've got kids.
I am a kid.
Yeah, listen here, Junior Mint. oh, let's go out here and do something with Buford. I'll jump it.
Fine.
No, I do remember that.
Move your truck.
You gotta record the whole.
This roof looks totally safe. Hey, guess what? Oh yeah! I think they deserve a first person
I was
view.
gonna say a POV would be awesome.
Oh, so hey, there's a hair on the camera.
Is there?
Yeah, literally.
Oh, Matt,
Did you not shave?
have you been using that for your OnlyFans camera too?
Yeah, with my dogs. What do you think about that? Easy exhaust removal. Oh, my bad. Let me get one more good ramp. See if any more parts fly off.
All right, Princess, let's do this.
All right. This thing's got some power now. Like a lot.
Yeah, because it's got no muffler.
Straight pipes.
I got a feeling there's no cat.
I know there is.
One more!
How does that car not fold?
I don't know how it isn't folded yet.
Everybody told me as soon as the roof come off, it would fold.
Yeah, that's true. You know, we figured that when we cut the roof off, we thought for sure it'd fold in a heartbeat. But if you watched our previous videos, we have put it through the ringer. Oh! Oh my God! Holy crap!
That was a jump. That was a jump, boys.
And she still runs. You got it in you for one more?
Oh my God. That was intense.
We literally.
One more?
Hell yeah.
Give her all the beans this time.
Jesus Christ. All right.
Beans in.
Don't worry, you won't die too hard. Oh shit. You know, I could be wrong, but I think that car folded that time and went right back to its normal state.
Want to go on a date?
You know it.
Oh, that car's folded. It looks to me like it is.
It's bent a little bit, but I think it's okay.
I could be wrong. Maybe it's all right.
No, it's definitely bent a little bit, but it's okay.
Did you see my head fly off the top? Yeah, I was like facing away from this.
Oh, you know what was flopping around in the weeds behind the tire?
The filler neck? No way. Is there no filler neck?
Oh no, there's filler neck there. It's in between the wheel.
Oh my god.
It's in between the suspension and the wheel, you know, but it's there. All I can say is, you don't have to jump any more 69 Dodge Chargers because you need a Buick Century.
Convertible Buick Century.
Convertible
It
Buick
makes them
Century.
stronger. It's science. See, you cut off the top, and you give it less of a chance to fold up here.
True.
So you put all the strength down there.
You don't reinforce it.
No. You don't need to waste money reinforcing cars, all right? These new ones, they're made to jump from the factory.
Exactly. It's like off-road proven already.
I've never had good luck out of a GM 3.1. That's exactly what's in this. It's a 3.1. This thing is a freaking beast. After all that we've put it through, and it still runs like a champ.
The outer skin is pulling away from the door. Look at this. That's the outer skin of the door.
That was totally Matt.
It's not working.
There's a Ford Ranger.
I can't believe that car still runs.
I don't know how it does.
After being ramped hard, how many times?
Quite a few.
Well, we had a lot of fun.
Good times.
Figured out the redneck way to removing exhaust.
Like I said, it's another episode of will it make it or will it not? We need a lot more of these, I guess.
Yeah.
There will be more of these. Because
Just stupid ways to do simple things that, It's easy to jack a van up when you have a jack. And you know what? I think a truck seconds as a good jack. You just flip it over, you can get to all the parts you ever need.
exactly. You can fix everything.
That's how I pulled the engine out of a big Chevy van, rolled it on its side, cut everything out. Made it a lot easier.
See you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe.